Jai Bole guys, I hope everybody is doing well and are in best of health. Welcome to my channel Triambaka Tarot Readings. My name is Jasmine. Today's reading is going to be a question you have to ask in your mind. I'm going to answer it in a yes or no. There's going to be a suggestion card as to what you're supposed to be doing in energy messages, angel messages, miracle message, and the happy message that your soul needs to hear. So let's begin without further ado. We have three choices as usual. The crystal pencils are right in front of you. The first one is rose quartz. The second is clear quartz. And the third one is amethyst. I'll give you guys a moment to choose and we shall begin. So for the people who have chosen rose quartz pencil as their choice of crystal, please put a question in your mind and your answer is... Your answer is a yes. It's a beautiful yes. You are a very stubborn person. You're going to get through what you want. You have been very intelligent also. You're very strong. You've been trying to achieve things and move ahead in life. But you had to have a little bit of arguments with people or fights with people in order to achieve your wish fulfillment. Your answer is coming a yes. Let's see what your suggestion card says for you. Okay, your suggestion cards are very beautiful. The first card is Empress and the Angel of Love. So you have to stay in this energy at all times. You have to stop thinking about having arguments with people. Try to forgive people. You can be the higher person or a higher soul. And Empress card means no matter what happens, you know how to deal with situations and you have a lot of intellect to know where to speak what. So try to keep that in charge. Try to keep in charge of yourself as a matter of speech. Be very careful what you speak with others because it can be taken in a wrong way. So your angel card says, get more information. Now again, before judging someone or getting down to conclusions or speaking someone or saying something to someone, try to know the full truth about a situation before you even speak your mind. Because again, before, like I said, things can be taken in a wrong way as far as you're concerned. Your miracle message is, if I want to feel supported, I must support myself. As it says, I don't think this needs an explanation. Trust your gut. You know what you're saying. Again, get more information before you speak. Your intuition is going to guide you well. Your happy message is, these are the magic years and therefore magic days and therefore magic moments. Perfection in a small card. Everything is perfect for you. Everything is magical for you. Don't forget, you are the Empress. You can handle everything and your intuition is going to guide you well. All the very best. Second group of people who have chosen clear quartz pencil as their choice. Please put a question in your mind and your answer is... Oh, sadly your answer is coming a no. You really are... Now you have to wait. You might think where you've gone wrong. Maybe there was a betrayal. Maybe there was disappointed from 2 people in your life or 3 people in your life, or 3, 2 and 5 is of importance. Yeah. So your answer is coming a no. Sorry. Let's see what your suggestion card says. Wow, even your tarot had... Where is it? Even your tarot had this strength card, and your angel card has also come of angel of strength. You really are a very strong person. Maybe people who are watching this have gone through a lot, and I think you still need to be strong. Don't lose hope, because the suggestion card suggests that justice is going to happen to you. Whosoever has done you wrong, or you were betrayed, or you were not done right with, I would say just stay strong. Things are still not over. You're a very strong person. Don't let yourself down. It's okay if they have done something. Life is a full circle. Things will go back to them. Justice shall prevail is your suggestion. Don't feel depressed. Your angel message is recovery. Now, whatever has happened to you, whatever kind of loss has happened to you, or in relationships, or in siblings, or in, parents, children, anyone or anything that has troubled you, disturbed you, or left you broken hearted. Now is the time for self recovery. Stop feeling pity for yourself, because you have to trust in the divine that justice will happen. Your miracle message is, I let go. Wow, this is so beautiful. And I allow the universe to do her thing. I was just saying the same thing. You have to let go and recover. You have to let go and let the universe take its play. Because if people are not able to see how much good you are, or how much good you've done in a relationship or in a thing, God is still watching, and you shall be done justice to. So let go and just recover from this heartache that you have. Your happy messages: never postpone joy. Whatever has happened has happened. I say one sentence in Hindi, raat gayi baat gayi. Every day is a new start. You wake up in the morning, 5 seconds, even if you remember, because we humans, we can't just let go of things that have hurt us, right? 5 seconds, 10 seconds, stops. That's it. Think about it, snap out of it, and think that this is a new day. I need to do something that is going to make me happy. Because you have to take care of your own self. Nobody is going to come and do that for you. I hope this reading helped for you guys. Third group of people who have chosen amethyst as their choice, please put a question in your mind, and your answer is 100% no. Arguments, fights, disappointment. Although the person who's watching has given a lot of love to the situation, you were expecting too much and you were waiting for something to happen, but your answer is coming in no for now. Let's see what your suggestion card says. Your suggestion card is saying, be what you are, handle the situation like you were handling, give it the love that you were giving. Surely abundance is going to come for you, but not right now. It's like a testing times for you. Just stay in the same energy, but don't argue or fight with people. Be in a nice and a loving energy towards people who come across. Somehow while shuffling, 2 of the angel cards dropped in for you, so I took both of them. The angel messages are: choose a new direction and improving health. Now, clearly, as the answer was coming 100% no, this means that whatever efforts you were putting in something, you need to find a new direction to put the same efforts in. You will get success, and you need to take care of your health right now. This might be for people who are really putting in efforts and things and not getting what they want, and you've been really ignoring your health in order to overwork or get what you're wanting here. Again, don't argue. This might give you some anxiety or other issues or BP issues. You need to take care of your health right now. Let's see what your miracle message is. Releasing anger from the past sets me free in the present. Clear message: you need to let go of whosoever and whatsoever is bothering you, giving you anxiety. As I said, people specifically getting headaches, migraines, BP issues, you need to give yourself a break from all of this, because the angel message was very clear. You need to take care of your health. So here I would say, let go and release whatever is causing you anger, frustration. You can probably start taking relaxing meditative baths. You can light a candle in the evening. Don't need to chant any mantras if you're not in the state of mind. Just light a candle, because fire, Agni, as it says, it cancels out a lot of negative energy around us. You can light salt lamps. You can just keep salt rocks, rock salts in your bathroom. Just generally just do things to cleanse your energy right now. Your happy messages: miracle happen to those who believe in them. Exactly. Whatever has happened, you need to let go and take care of your energy right now. And if you believe that you're going to achieve it, miracles do happen. All the very best to everyone. I hope you all liked the reading. If you did, please do hit the like button. It really does help. And do follow me on Instagram at triambaka.in. I'll be coming back with another reading shortly. Till then, take care. Jai Bhole.